Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker JBL Charge 6. And right here at the top we have all controls. So let's get started with this one is I guess it's called active button. And if you have the same speaker, the second speaker, with the same model, you can make a stereo group with it. So you just press this button on your on this speaker and on your second speaker and create a one group of it. Next we have a power button, is to turn on or turn off your speaker. Then here's a Bluetooth button, and you need this button to enter pairing mode. You just press on it and you will enter to pairing mode. Right here we have volume control button. So if you wanna increase the volume, you need to press and hold. At the volume up button it has a plus icon, so you press on it and we should see the widget, or you can also press and hold. And as you can see at this widget, we increase the volume. To lower it, use volume down button, what have a minus icon, and again you just press on it or you press and hold and you will lower the volume. The last one is play pause button. Let me play some song to show it to you how it works. So if you press one time at this button, you will play or pause the song. Press on it, I just pause the song, press again, and I play a song. If you press two times at this button, you will play next track. 1, 2. Here we go. And if you press three times at this play pause button, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Now, bonus for you. If you combine play pause button and volume up button for at least 2 seconds, you will perform a factory reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!